Hey, it's Shane with Warmboard up here in the Pacific Northwest, just at one of our newest sites, working with Hamish Anderson Custom Homes. And one of my favorite parts about a Warmboard job is seeing the deck come in. So the first floor is in. This is the builder's first project with Warmboard. Came out and did an initial site visit with them. We walked through the floor plan, and within about a day and a half, the deck is in, and they did a beautiful job, right to plan with Warmboard. And so the next stage here is, you can see that we've got the second floor is gonna be waiting when they go through there. These guys are doing everything right out here. We've got the panels tarped off, and when that second floor goes in, we'll have some really good structural subfloor ready to go. But again, a beautiful job on the decking. As they went through here, we've got some nice detail things that happened with the plan here. They transitioned really nicely with the step here. At Warmboard, we work on maximizing all of our material throughout a floor plan, and again, the crew out here with Hamish Anderson did an excellent job. So it's a wonderful project out here in the Pacific Northwest. We got some sun is shining, and so if you're interested in learning more about Warmboard, check out our website at warmboard.com, make an inquiry, and we'd love to talk with you.